Nico here. I've done a vending machine do-over, make thingy. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have a character buy something from there with one of the dollars. Can I borrow some money from you? Sure. Okay. Alright. Let's go to the vending machine. This is it. And I'll show you the thingies. I made a little thingy to grab the what you want, and then a little slot to put the money in it. So I put it on. Alright. Then let's say she wants Cheetos. It comes from the vending. She eats it, then she eats it, and put it back. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this review, and please like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.